Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today I want to explain about my lab individual assignment for subject CSC 001 Visual Basic Programming. But before that, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nur Syazwani binti Muhammad Fazli and I am from class M3 CS 1103C. So basically, this individual assignment is about Azwan's Automotive that perform routine and non-routine service for his customer. So this is an application to display the total for a customer's visit to Azwan's Automotive. So this is our interface design for the Azwan's Automotive. So here we have a menu for a user to choose or select any colors to change their labels for color. So for example, if the user choose to change it to brown, so the labels for color will change into brown. And for another example, if the customer choose to change it into dark blue, so all the labels for color will change into dark blue. Azwan's Automotive have service and non-routine service. So the service is include oil and lube, mist, and also flushes. And for non-service routine, they have parts and label. So for example, a customer came to do oil change, inspection, tire rotation, and also transmission flush. So for the parts, let's say they came and do sport rim change, so it costs around 2,500. So we will write here 2,500. And for the label, we will write the hours Azwan's work. So and it costs 70 per hour. So let's say he works for 2 hours. So when we press button calculate total, it will calculate all the fees. So for the service labor, it will calculate the labor, the hours, times with 70, which is 2 times 70 will equals to 140. And for the parts, it will just bring back the value or amount in part. And for tax, 6% will be charged from parts as tax. So we will calculate 6% from parts, and it is the amount of tax. And total fees is the total of all service and non-routine service done. So I will give you another example. So for label, let's say if I wrote negative on it, for example -3, and I press button calculate total, it will display error because it won't accept any negative figure. So it told us to enter positive figures only. So the label and service label text box will be cleared and we have to enter the right figure. So for the parts also, if we put a negative sign in the text box, it will also display an error box, which is they ask us to enter only positive figures, and respective text box will be cleared. So for example, if I press the button clear, so it will clear all the text box and text box in our application. And if I press the button exit, so it will close the application. Next, I will show you the source code to make this application running. So this is my source code for the application. This is the declaration variable for an array and also text box and text box. And this is all the procedures that I will call in our main. So we have clear flashes, clear mist, and also clear oil charges, that we clear all the respective checks box. So here, when we click button clear, so it will call back all the procedures to clear the checkbox and also text box. And this is the code to change the labels for color. So here, when we click button exits, it will close our application. So this is in the main. We will declare a variable checkbox so that we can use it later in button calculate. So I use looping to loop for the checkbox, and this is to calculate the total charge for it. So I think that's all from me. I hope my explanation is clear and can help you to understand better about Visual Basic programming.